Okay, so ganito guys.
Alright.
I have a suggestion for
For the bride?
no, not for the bride but for the
For the girl?
Yeah. Just do one round, yan.
Yeah, perfect.
Para hindi alam ni Rika kung saan
Go
babagsak.
na! Yes!
Yeah, like that, Jess. Let's
Yeah,
go.
go, Jess! Go, Jess! Go, Ira!
Yeah.
Go, Ira! Go, Jackie!
Ikot lang, ikot lang.
Go, Cory! Go, Cory!
Go, ladies. Rika, perfect. Okay, so Rika, whenever you're ready, in the count of 3. Hello, nangyari. Oh, wait lang.
Hindi yan yung bouquet!
Hindi yan. We're supposed to throw the bouquet, not the... Oh, isa pa,
Again,
ha?
thanks for to John Marcos as well as for the decoration.
Round it again, one more time. Come on. Dancing around.
Can you repeat that?
Okay, go, isa pa.
I think Rika is a volleyball player.
Ikot, come on, ikot. Go down.
Yes, it doesn't end there. Of course, it doesn't end there.